What is up, guys? It's Alex here, back at you with another Minecraft tutorial. This one is a very highly requested Minecraft tutorial, and this is Union Pacific 1111, powered by our People Locomotive. Now, as y'all may know, this is a very intricate and unique paint scheme, so it is extremely hard to build in Minecraft, but I have built this to the standards of which I think it is worthy of a Minecraft tutorial. So, let's get straight into it. First of all, go and grab yourself some light gray concrete, stone stairs, smooth quartz slab, nether brick, birch fence, iron bars, smooth stone slabs, a hopper, some black concrete, and a bell. Actually, no. Not the bell for now. Alright, so what you're going to do first of all, place a 3x2 of light gray concrete, just like this, and then place a right side up and an upside down stone stair, just like this on either side. So just like that. Now you're going to bring this back by 2, and you're going to make a 2x5 on this block. So just like this. So just like that. And now we are going to bring it back by 33 blocks, I do believe. So let's see if I'm correct on that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Alright, 32 blocks. Sorry about that, guys. 1 over. So just make this a 2x5 and the other one a 3x2. Or a 2x3, should I say. Wrong thing. And now the upside down and right side upstairs. And that's good. Now just make this a 3x... I know, a lot. Just make this 3 wide in the middle, just like that. Now we're going to work on the wheels. So go to the front or back. Place 1 on the wheel. Then skip 1, place 2, skip 1, place 2, just like that. And then you're going to put hoppers on all of them. And then a stone slab in the middle. Just like that. Now do it on the front and on the other side as well, depending on which side you started on. So just like this. And while we are doing this, guys, I just want to mention this is most likely going to be a 2-part tutorial. And the next tutorial that will be coming out is either going to be the Katy Heritage Unit updated or the Southern Pacific Heritage Unit. I'm going to leave that on a poll for y'all to for you guys to vote on, whichever you want. So if you're gonna have it to look at that poll, see which one y'all want first. Okay, just like that. So now you're gonna skip a block right here and just place a row of gray concrete until you are 1 block away from right here. And now just completely fill this in. And then outline it with upside down stone stairs, just like this. Okay, do it on this side as well. And now you're going to take your smooth stone slab, completely run it along the top right here, all the way down, just like that. Do it on this side as well. Alright, now take your smooth quartz slab even. Just place 2 like that, and 2 just like this. And then your nether brick right there. Do that on the front as well. So right there. 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 Right there, and right there. And that's the main base of the unit done. Now you're going to make the grab irons, or handles, or whatever you want to call them. So just place 2 birch, just like that, on each side, and then an iron bar on top. Do that on the back as well. So 2, skip 1, 2, and then an iron bar. Not right there. Alright, now we're going to work on the cab. We're going to go up to here, and then all of this is going to be in part 2, because this is a very scaled unit. So place a row just like that, then bring it up by 1 on either side, and bring it back by 1 just like that. Okay? Now you're going to grab blue concrete and TNT, place 1 TNT in the middle, make sure you have TNT explosions off, and then a blue concrete on either side, and then a row of light gray concrete right there. Alright, so now completely just get rid of everything in inventory. Now you're going to get a block of gold, black concrete, red concrete, smooth quartz stair, red carpet, light gray carpet, red nether brick stairs, some stained glass, and dark oak wood stairs. Alright, so just place 2 red and 2 red, just like that, to make a zigzag type thing, and then a block of gold, just like that. Then you're going to place red nether brick stairs, both like this. And now just fill this in with red concrete. Then make a row of red carpet and a row of gray, just like that. And that's going to be the nose. Now we're going to work on the cab. So the cab, place 2 black concrete on the other side, just like this. Bring it up by 2, and then bring it through just like that. Just like this, and just like that. Now take your smooth quartz stair. Place 2 upside down. This is going to make the number board. Or no, wait, no. The gold is the number, and then the white right here is where it says powered by our people, I do believe. It's been a while since I've looked at the locomotive. So now place black right there, make a row, and then 1 in the middle, just like that. So you should have this so far, to make sure that all of y'all are caught up. Now, you're also going to need black stained glass pane. Let's place 2 right here and 2 right here, and then 2 regular glass on the front. That's going to make the windows. And then you're just going to place 3 black concrete and bring it back by 3. Just like that. And then grab your dark oak stairs, place a row of 4 on either side, and that is your main cab. Just like that. Alright. So now, get everything out of your inventory again. You're going to get bedrock, white concrete, dark oak wood stairs, black concrete, red concrete, blue concrete. Yeah. Alright. I sort of lost myself for a second there, sorry guys. Let's place 3 bedrock, then 3 white concrete, and then another 3 bedrock. Now you're going to place 2 upside down dark oak stairs, just like that, and then encase them in black concrete, just like that. Now we're going to come back here, just place a random block there so that you can get this block right here. You're going to have 2 white, then 2 red, and then 1 white. This is going to make the American flag. Then on the top of the white, have 2 blue, then 2 bedrock for the vent, and then 1 red. So you should have this on this side. Okay. And on this side. Alright. So for this side, you're going to have to grab a red nether brick stair. And you're also going to have to grab a prismarine slab and some smooth sandstone. So let's start right here. So place 1 smooth sandstone, sorry guys, and then 1 prismarine on top, and just put 2 black behind that so that you can't see into it. And then, so we're going to start from the top again, so 2 blue, 2 bedrock, and then 1 red, and under it 1 white, 2 red, 1 white. Just keep on doing this pattern until you get to the bottom. Then right here, you're gonna have 3. Actually, wait. No, I'm doing this a bit wrong. Sorry, guys. This needs to be in 1. So place it like that. Sorry about that, guys. Then place 3 white concrete like that. 4. No, it is 3. I'm messing with myself. Sorry, guys. And then 1 black concrete. And then you're going to place your red nether brick stair on top of it. That's going to make the red right there. And then 2 whites and a red. So you should have that. And you're just going to fill in this top part with black. And then grab black carpet. Okay. Now to finish off part 1, we're going to do the details on the cab. So grab an iron trap door, a weighted pressure plate, iron, the acacia button, birch fence gate, not black concrete, birch sign, item frame, and white glass stain pane, and a tripwire hook. Let me go and grab that item frame right there. So place 2 tripwire hooks right there. That's going to be your air hoses. Then you're going to place an item frame on both of those fence gates. Then put a white glass pane in there, and then turn it 1, so that when you go away from it, it sort of starts looking like a circle, sort of. It's however you view it. Then break that for a moment. Place your birch fence gate up there, and then just replace it. Birch sign on either side. If you really want, you can put UP111. So it just look like that. It's either or. It's really if you want to. Then button on either side right here. A weighted pressure plate 1 block behind them and in the middle. Skip another block, and then a iron trap door. And that's going to conclude part 1 on how to build Union Pacific 1111. Hope y'all have enjoyed. Now here's part 2.